It's for Terry, 36 years old today. In a bar, Johnny drinks, Johnny Walker, till he runs up a bill he can't pay. He's drinking to the memory of a prince in a pauper's grave. And it's go, Johnny, go, where the bruises don't show, in the churchyard where the nervous get wrecked. And turn off your wireless for 2 minutes. Cough up and pay your respects. And go to the park where vicars and tarts pray for their tormented souls. Like the American graffiti from Elephant and Castle, in Ford Capri orange, Volkswagen yellow and gold. Johnny drinks, Johnny Walker runs up a bill that the Pope couldn't pay. He's drinking to the memory of a prince in a pauper's grave.